Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So I told you earlier on a previous episode that we have a lot of big changes coming on the channel, and if you notice, there's some stuff sitting behind me, a few boxes, and we've got a shelf, computer, and currently what we've got going in, PPG is here, and they are setting up our new mix system with our new camera, our scales, so we are going to be able to mix our own custom colors that we use here on the channel and get it to you guys. We've got a website that's going live. You guys can actually get on the website, put in an order for a custom color that you like, that you've seen on the channel, and we will ship it right to you. So stay tuned, and we're going to get after this, folks. So we'll be in and out, but for the show.
Alright guys, so while he's over there working on something y'all can't quite see yet, I've been taking apart the interior on the 89 F250, and as you can see, these floor pans are rock solid, and a lot better than the exterior of the truck was before we fixed all that. But I'm gonna work on getting the new interior put in here, and I'll pick up with you guys when I get that done.
Hey folks, so here it is. Today is the day. Previously you saw we got our PPG system in, and we got that taken care of. We got that set up. I know it's been a little bit longer since we've actually been able to do a video, but between that and working on finishing out the truck, which we're getting ready to see here in just a second, and getting our room built here, let's turn the camera and we will show you. We actually got a room built for our paint system, so that way we can separate from the rest of our shop. But having said that, let's get back to the truck, and we're going to show you what all we have done to this thing. So basically, we have taken a truck that had 53,000 original miles, been through a tornado, beat up on a farm for 20 years, so it literally had a dent on every panel on this truck, for an individual that he knows we have his truck, but he has not seen the finished product, and he doesn't know the extent that we went to on this truck. So we're gonna go and do a quick overview on this truck before we pull it out, because he's waiting on the other side of that door to see this truck right now, and we're gonna try to capture his reaction today on the show. So stay tuned, let's go around, let's check this thing. All right, so behind me is the truck. Let's do a walk around. We'll show you what all we've done so far. All right, so we have done the body of this truck, which was literally beat with a dent everywhere. I mean, this was just peeling, and it was horrible. So we've also done the interior now with a completely revamped interior, redone, and everything has been cleaned up. It looks almost new. So also, we'll go down here and we'll take a look at the frame. Now the frame has been rust preventative put on it, and we've painted on top of that, so we're ready for several years of use and abuse. Now the front end, the headlights, they were completely yellow. We have polished these up where they look shiny and new again. Also, we've done a full mechanical checkup on the engine and cleaned underneath the engine. We'll show you that. All right, so we have cleaned the engine bay up to where it doesn't have the grime and the corrosion and the crust all over it, and gotten it all shined up. So at least that way, it looks the part, and should be ready for many, many years of use. We've already aired the tires up on this thing. We've already checked the tires on it, the brake system, the fuel system, everything is ready to go. So now it's just a matter of going through and send it out there and see what this guy thinks about it. All right, so we're getting ready to pull this thing out, and we're going to try to get his reaction right here. Like I said, he has not seen the finished product, so this is the owner. He's going to come over here and wait for us to pull this truck out, so stay tuned and we're going to show you what we did. All right, sir. All right, sir. There is your new truck.
It sure does look like one, doesn't it? It
Yes,
does
sir.
look like a new one.
You know, we knew, like I said, you know, you've done so much for the community, you've done so much for other people. We really wanted to do a good job on this. You know, we knew you had a surgery coming up, and the reason we hurried up and got this done as quick as we did, we wanted you to be able to drive this truck today. You know, that's the reason why we've done all this behind us, because we really wanted you to just be able to enjoy it at least for a day.
Yep. And I'll take it home. I will enjoy it for the day and hopefully for a few more years afterwards.
I would imagine so.
I hope so. It does. It does. It looks really good. I'm not sure it looked that good when it was brand new when my dad bought it.
You know, I mean, that's kind of the whole point of it. We wanted to get something that was at least dealership quality or better. And that was kind of why we went to the extent of sanding and all the stuff that we did on this truck and spent so much time. Yes, it's taken us a while, but you know, that was the whole point of it, to try to get you something that'll last for many years to come.
And that's exactly what I wanted.
Exactly, and that's what we were hoping to do. And like I said, I hope you enjoy it. And honestly, sir, this right here is the only thing that you need, because everything else is ready to go.
Okay.
And there you have it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. And thank you.
Did a good
Thank
job.
you for being a part of our community. All right, folks, so here he comes. And there he goes. What a beautiful truck now. What a beautiful truck. So there we have it. Like I said, we got we got the truck done. We've got everything done with it at this point, and you know, obviously he's just ecstatic about it as much as I am. If you could see, you know, the emotion that it took to actually bring this truck back to what it is, and you know, to get him, you know, happy with the truck and do something that's actually meaningful to somebody. So that's kind of was the whole point of this thing, is to do something that had meaning to someone. So, you know, I feel happy about it. He's happy about it, and what more could you ask for? He basically gets a brand new truck. So folks, that's all we got time for today, and thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell so you get the notifications on the next video coming up, and there's going to be many more coming to like this one. And we've got another project we're getting ready to pull in the shop, and we're going to show you what's going on with it. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, folks.